In today's video, I'll show you how to create a passport size photo in Canva in just a few minutes. No Photoshop needed. Start by logging into Canva and click Create a Design at the top right. Select Custom Size and enter 51 mm for both width and height, which is the standard passport photo size. Click Create New Design to open your blank canvas. Next, upload the photo you want to use by clicking Uploads on the left menu. Drag your image onto the canvas and adjust it so your face is centered, making sure the head and shoulders fit perfectly. Resize as needed by dragging the corners, keeping the image sharp and clear. Double check that your photo meets passport standards with a plain background and proper positioning. Once satisfied, click Download at the top right and save your photo as JPEG or PNG for high quality prints. And that's it. You now have a passport size photo ready in Canva in just a few minutes. Quick, simple and professional.